When you need to list or locate specific transactions in Adagio Ledger, the Detail Listing Report has various ways to present this information. From the Reports menu, select Detail Listing, which prints posted transactions for a given fiscal date range for each account and associated department if enabled, along with opening and closing balances, and running balances and total net changes by fiscal period. This report can be sorted either by account or by department, for the entire chart of accounts, or a range of either accounts or departments. Within this, transactions are grouped by fiscal period, and within each group, further sorting can be based on various fields stored on the transaction. There are 3 different report styles: a standard condensed report with no extra information prints the net posted and running balance amounts in separate columns. Or you may choose to include statistical units or the batch and entry numbers from the ledger batch as additional columns, which in both cases merge the net posted and balance fields into a single column for spacing considerations. Transactions have 2 description fields, and you can choose to print either or both of these descriptions on the report. Options to print as of either the current fiscal year and period or the period previous to this will determine these values based on the login date and fiscal calendar. Or disable both options to select a range of any defined years and periods, even if the range covers more than one fiscal year. This selection will appear in the report title. There are a number of report options that affect which accounts are selected to print and what amounts are printed. Accounts can be suppressed from the report if they are marked as not active on the master record, or if no transactions have been posted to the account in the selected period range. If you are printing this report with a range that starts with the first period of any year, you may include transactions posted to prior year, with those posted to the year-end adjustment period identified with YE. When the fiscal period range includes the last period of a year, closing amount transactions can be selected in addition to the regular entries. And the transaction details can be hidden, which presents a report for each account with the opening and closing balances and the net changes total based on the selected period range. If multi-currency is enabled, the detail listing can be printed not only with amounts in your company home currency, but also with the original source currency amounts and related exchange rates in a landscape orientation on legal-sized paper to a different specific printer and tray if desired, defaulted in the workstation option setup. As with all reports in Adagio, the detail listing can be printed to a selected printer, previewed to screen, stored as a PDF using Adagio ePrint to a predetermined file name and save location, or generated in an electronic file. Though the detail listing can be exported to Excel, a better formatted spreadsheet could be created from the View Transactions Inquiry or the Financial Reporter Detail Drill Down using the Excel Direct button. After printing, as a user preference, selected options are remembered for the next time this report is printed. Or you can create named favorite reports to save particular print options and an ePrint PDF file name and location. Print the detail listing report for specific activity and auditing of account balances. For more information about Adagio Accounting, use these links on screen or from the video description. Thanks for watching.